Ready to buy a Mazda? Stop right there, because choosing the wrong model year could cost you thousands in repairs. If you want the best combination of reliability, performance, and long-term value, the Mazda CX-5 stands above the competition. Experts and owners agree that the 2015 and 2022 models are among the smartest choices you can make. But be careful. Some early production years have been linked to costly problems that every buyer should know about. In the next few minutes, we'll reveal the best Mazda models to buy, the years you should avoid, and how to make sure your next SUV is a winner. Let's get started. The 2015 Mazda CX-5 is one of the best years to buy. Even after a decade on the road, the 2015 Mazda CX-5 continues to impress drivers with its reliable engineering and timeless design. One of the biggest reasons this model stands out is its proven 2.5-liter Skyactiv-G engine. Known for its durability and efficiency, this naturally aspirated engine delivers strong acceleration while maintaining impressive fuel efficiency. Whether you're cruising around town or cruising on the highway, this engine delivers smooth, responsive performance that still feels modern today. Another key feature of the 2015 CX-5 is its traditional 6-speed automatic transmission. Unlike many newer vehicles that rely on more complicated transmission systems, Mazda keeps things simple and reliable. The 6-speed automatic transmission offers smooth shifts, predictable performance, and lower long-term maintenance costs, making it an excellent choice for drivers looking for peace of mind. The 2015 model also benefits from avoiding many of the complex electronic systems found in newer vehicles. Modern cars are often filled with sophisticated technology and software that can lead to costly repairs over time. The 2015 CX-5 takes a different approach, focusing on the essentials: a reliable engine, a dependable transmission, and a driving experience that feels connected and enjoyable. Inside, the CX-5 offers a comfortable interior with high-quality materials and plenty of room for passengers and luggage. Mazda's driver-focused design puts every control within easy reach, while the suspension delivers a smooth ride without sacrificing the brand's signature sporty handling. What makes the 2015 Mazda CX-5 even more appealing is its reputation among owners. Many drivers praise this vehicle for its reliability and low cost of ownership, proving that this SUV is built to last. So, if you're in the market for a used compact SUV and want a model that combines proven engineering, practical features, and fewer electronic issues, the 2015 Mazda CX-5 should be at the top of your list. With a powerful 2.5-liter Skyactiv-G engine and a reliable 6-speed automatic transmission, this is one of the smartest Mazda CX-5 models you can buy. If you're tired of SUVs taking over the roads and still believe that a great sedan can deliver excitement, comfort, and reliability, then the 2020 Mazda 6 deserves your attention. In fact, many enthusiasts consider it one of the best Mazda sedans you can buy today. What makes the 2020 Mazda 6 stand out is its perfect balance between sporty performance and everyday practicality. Under the hood, the naturally aspirated 2.5-liter Skyactiv-G engine delivers smooth and dependable power without the complexity of turbochargers. Producing responsive acceleration and impressive fuel economy, it's an excellent choice for drivers who want reliability without sacrificing driving enjoyment. But the Mazda 6 is more than just a reliable engine. Its sharp steering and well-tuned suspension give the car a sporty character that's becoming increasingly rare in the mid-size sedan segment. Whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the highway, the Mazda 6 offers a driving experience that feels refined, confident, and engaging. Inside the cabin, the 2020 Mazda 6 punches far above its price range. Premium materials, comfortable seats, and a modern infotainment system create an upscale atmosphere that rivals luxury brands. The spacious interior also makes it practical for families and long road trips. Another major advantage is long-term dependability. The naturally aspirated Skyactiv-G engine has earned a strong reputation for durability and lower maintenance costs compared to many competitors. For used car buyers, that means fewer worries and potentially thousands of dollars saved in repairs. So, if you're searching for a stylish, reliable, and fun-to-drive sedan, the 2020 Mazda 6 should be at the top of your list. If you're searching for the best Mazda CX-5 to buy, the 2022 model deserves to be at the very top of your list. Combining luxury, reliability, and everyday practicality, the 2022 Mazda CX-5 is widely considered one of the most refined versions ever produced. One of the biggest upgrades for 2022 is that every trim level comes with standard all-wheel drive. Whether you're driving through heavy rain, snow, or rough roads, the CX-5 delivers excellent traction and confidence behind the wheel. It's a feature that not only improves safety, but also makes every journey feel more stable and enjoyable. Inside the cabin, Mazda took comfort to the next level. The 2022 model received upgraded seats with better support and premium materials, giving drivers and passengers a more luxurious experience. From daily commutes to long road trips, the interior feels quiet, comfortable, and surprisingly upscale for its class. But comfort isn't the only reason why the 2022 CX-5 stands out. Under the hood, Mazda continued to offer its proven engine lineup, known for delivering a perfect balance between performance and fuel efficiency. The responsive handling and smooth ride make the CX-5 feel more like a premium European SUV than a traditional compact crossover. Another major advantage is reliability. Unlike some newer vehicles that suffer from software bugs and electronic problems, the 2022 Mazda CX-5 has very few owner-reported software issues. Owners consistently praise its dependability, which means less time at the dealership and more time enjoying the road. The exterior also received subtle styling updates, including a redesigned front grille and sharper headlights, giving the SUV a more modern and sophisticated look. Even years after its release, the 2022 CX-5 still looks fresh and competitive. So if you're shopping for a used compact SUV that offers luxury-level comfort, standard all-wheel drive, proven reliability, and minimal maintenance headaches, the 2022 Mazda CX-5 is easily one of the best years to buy. It's the perfect combination of style, practicality, and long-term value. For the 2003 to 2005 Mazda 6, things may look great on the outside, but these are the years you need to think twice about before buying. While the sporty design and fun driving experience made the Mazda 6 popular, many owners faced serious problems long before reaching 100,000 miles. One of the biggest issues was the automatic transmission, with failures often appearing around 80,000 miles. The repairs could cost thousands of dollars and leave drivers stranded. On top of that, faulty throttle position sensors caused rough acceleration, poor engine response, and unexpected performance problems. If you're shopping for a used Mazda 6, these model years could turn your dream car into an expensive headache. Do your research, check the maintenance history, and make sure you avoid the wrong year before making your purchase. The 2014 Mazda CX-5 may look like the perfect compact SUV, but this is one model year that buyers should be careful with. Despite its stylish design and impressive fuel economy, the 2014 CX-5 was plagued by early transmission problems that frustrated many owners. Drivers reported bugs in the multiplate clutch system, leading to rough shifting and unpredictable behavior on the road. Even more concerning was the low-speed lunging issue, where the vehicle could suddenly surge forward while driving slowly or maneuvering in traffic. While the Mazda CX-5 has built a reputation for reliability, the 2014 model stands out for the wrong reasons. Before buying a used CX-5, make sure you do your research, because avoiding the wrong year could save you from expensive repairs and unexpected headaches. The 2016 Mazda CX-3 may catch your eye with its sporty styling and compact SUV design, but this debut model year is one that buyers should approach with caution. As the first CX-3 ever released, it was plagued by concerns over structural integrity and poor performance in overlap crash tests. While the CX-3 delivered impressive fuel economy and agile handling, safety became a major question mark for many owners and experts. Early generation design weaknesses raised concerns about occupant protection in serious accidents. If you're looking for a used Mazda CX-3, don't let the sleek appearance fool you. Doing your homework and avoiding the 2016 model could save you from unexpected risks and help you find a safer, more reliable option. So, there you have it. The best Mazda models to buy and the model years you should avoid. If you're looking for long-term reliability and peace of mind, the Mazda CX-5 from 2015 or 2022 is one of the smartest choices you can make. Remember, choosing the right year can save you from expensive repairs and unexpected headaches down the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our next car buying guide. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.